guys.
Welcome to a new
mukbang.
This dress I bought, it was in 2018 and I was gonna wear it for Thanksgiving in 2018 and it didn't fit. And now it does. So,
oh my God!
So I don't snack.
Sure, Jan.
I prefer to have voluminous, if that's the right word, like large quantities of food. I'm a big girl. So
no shit, Sherlock.
I love hot things. Very dry, which is what I like, you guys know. Before I eat anything on camera, I make sure it's within my calories for that meal.
Meal, love that for me.
There's nothing different that I did in this situation that I would have done off of camera. And if my eating upsets you, offends you, I ask politely to maybe not watch. Like I don't want to offend anyone. That's not my intention, ever.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
I can't watch Chinese food mukbangs.
Mukbang. I don't even know what it is anymore.
I'm gonna say right here, right now. As an outside perspective, I understand your guys' frustration. Because to you, you're seeing, you know, a morbidly obese girl with like a food addiction, eating on camera, like forcing herself to eat, or like, a lot of people say I'm myself on camera, but it's like, I'm not. I'm eating so much healthier. I am enjoying my food and making it last. And like I said, this is what I would eat regardless if I was filming or not. I don't know. I just, like, I don't want to upset people, but I also want to be able to film what I want to film and not worry so much about what other people think.
Stop it. Get some help.
I do want to spend a video talking about, like, you know, weight loss with mukbangs and stuff like that. Like, I've done it before. I think it was during my
shrimp mukbang.
Y'all, I have the cutest new slippers. I'm actually living for them. I need to show you guys. Who would have thunk it that I would go to Kroger and find like the cutest slipper in the world? House shoe. Well, I guess you can call it a house shoe. I even wore it to the store once. They're a lot more comfortable than my flats, I can tell you that much. Someone asked me, why does she have to eat everything on her plate? Well, that's easy. That's an easy question.
I'm hungry.
If I was like genuinely full, obviously I wouldn't eat it. Last bite, big bite.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer. This is so much cancer that I can feel the tumors growing on my back.
Eat every day.